guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making slime. Right now I'm trying to get the activator all ready and stuff. Yeah. I'm going to barely do some activate. I should add a little bit more. There. A little bit out. There. That should be enough. Because I'm going to see if this will turn out good. So don't do what I'm doing right now, guys. That's a lot. Just a little bit of that. Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna play the whole thing in now. Don't do what I'm doing because I don't know officially what I'm doing yet, but I barely have glue because of Autumn. She made her slime, but it didn't go out good, so yeah. I told her not to play with it. So I'm making her a new slime before she was sick. So yeah. Right now I'm trying to get almost the glue in there. I don't think she's gonna barely have some. Yeah. Just keep going, just keep going. What do you do? Just keep going. Man, I need to grab those giant glues that Kaylee Maple. Should get them. In the comments, let me know where y'all get the giant glue. I really need it. That'll do. Okay. Then we need to add shaving cream. Okay. I'm going to add a lot because she also needs fluffy slime. The more the merrier. Let's mix that. Oh, wow. They actually turned big. She is going to have big slime. Sort of. Okay. Next, okay, we need to add soap. Doing 10 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm not going to do lotion because I'm almost out. So yeah, this is actually pretty big, guys. You guys, whatever. Can't talk right now. Okay. Next, we need to add. I'm gonna add. No, I was gonna add sprinkles, but never mind. I'm gonna add coloring. Blue, 2 drops of blue and 2 drops of. Oh, one drop of red. Well, actually, I'm gonna do 3 drops. Okay. That should be enough. I wonder what it's gonna make. Oh, it's purple, you guys. It's cool. Oh, it's a really light purple. Okay. Then let's add activator. Let's stir in a little bit more. I'm not gonna add the whole thing. A little bit. That should be enough. If it isn't, I'll add a little bit more. Because it's been going so well, I don't want it to mess up. Oh, yay! It's making it. should be sticky for a while, but then as soon as you get playing with it, that stickiness is gonna go away. It's gonna be stretchy. So it should be fluffy and stretchy. This is really sticky, so don't play with it right now. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's go on. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It won't get off. Ew. I'm gonna keep this back. Get the rest in there. Then this. And more of that in there. I hope this works out, guys. I only have 2 slimes and that's it. I don't know how Kelly Mabel does this. It's hard. Ew, it looks like ink flopping around. Oh, guys, it works, sort of, but it's really slimy. Okay. Uh-oh, dropped a piece. Alright, at least it's not too sticky. Like where it has to stick to my fingers. Where you can't hardly get it off. So guys, thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you like this video. And if you ever made Simon and it went out good. Bye!